building community connections while learning to code. Today we joined Rideau Public School at this retirement residence to get coding. Seniors and Seniors is a multi-generational program that has lots of partnership and mentorship. What is the goal of the program and who all was involved?
The goal of the program is to help to build relationships between my younger students and the older students at our school, as well as my younger students and seniors at a retirement residence in Kingston. So building community partnerships within Kingston, but also to teach them a lot of the learning goals that are looked at in the curriculum in a really fun way.
Okay, could you tell me specifically how this does connect to the curriculum?
Absolutely. It actually connects to all 4 frames in the kindergarten program. They're learning about attention skills, they're learning about persistence when they're learning lots of new things on the bots. They're learning about problem solving and spatial awareness because they're working with robots and they have to figure out how to navigate the mats. They're also building relationships, like I said, in the school and outside of the school and in Kingston, and they're learning French vocabulary too.
So what have you liked most about today's program?
What I liked was learning how to do lots of stuff about the robots.
Can you tell me what the hardest part is about trying to program the robot?
So the hardest part is going far and without touching certain things.
This project, funded in part by Limestone Learning Foundation, is a great example of how community nurtures learning for everyone, and that brings learning alive.
Learning in Limestone is brought to you by the Limestone District School Board.